Kitchen, shorthand for the Old English word "cuisine," which derives from the Latin word "coquina," meaning a place to cook, has always held a central role in our lives. In ancient times, kitchens were little more than open fires at the center of our communal spaces, providing warmth, light, and nourishment. By the Middle Ages, designated kitchen areas emerged, though they were often separate from living quarters to prevent fires. The kitchen's evolution didn't stop there. As homes modernized, the kitchen shifted closer to the heart of family life. No longer just a place for cooking, it became a space for gathering, storytelling, and creating memories. Cabinets, countertops, tile, flooring, paint, lighting come together to shape the kitchen into a functional, stylish hub, blending storage, durability, beauty, and personality. Kitchens hold more than just food and appliances. They carry memories. From your child's birthday cake covered in candles to the countertop stacked with unopened mail. It's where engagement toasts are made, and yes, where the pizza box from last night still sits. Every mark, every stain tells a story. The kitchen is also a reflection of a home's value. When a kitchen is remodeled, emotions run high. Clients feel the thrill of new possibilities, but also the nerve that comes with change. It's no surprise that when I provide site visits for clients, our meetings almost always take place in the kitchen. It's the space where people feel most comfortable, where plans for the future are envisioned, and where decisions feel personal. Next time you're thinking about renovating your kitchen, it pays to consider every aspect of your space's flow. Ask yourself, how do I want my kitchen to flow? Would open shelving add character or functionality? Is a full height backsplash right for my style? How about under cabinet lighting for a touch of ambiance? What type of cabinets would best suit my needs? A kitchen remodel isn't something to rush. A little homework goes a long way in making your dream kitchen a reality. A well designed kitchen can bring comfort, function, and joy tailored to the needs of a growing family